Trailer Park Performance. About to change the rear main seal on the 95 GMC.
Oh, can you give me one of the brocas? One of the broca bits? I think I need some like self-packing ones. No llevan self-tapping. Más mientras no le pega el fierro. Pinche bloque. Ay.
Salió como pinche mantequilla, güey.
Well, that's how you take it out. First time for everything, and this is our first time. Well, that shit just slid on.
It's like it wanted to be saved.
It's because what I was doing, I put it on, but like I was like pushing in like on the inside of the gasket, it has like the little rubber, and I was like pushing that like in with my nail, like with my fingertip.
Yeah.
Like pushing it in around, and like I guess it just got like in there.
That comes in.
Yeah, and I pushed it, and it's flat. I think it needs.
Let us know in the comment section if you would have done something different. And if you like the video, hit the like button and go subscribe to our channel.
It's pretty.